Talgo 230 trains recently started official commercial service in Denmark and Germany in the Copenhagen-Hamburg route served by Denmark state rail operator DSB, with a daily return EuroCity (EC) service replacing older rolling stock, with more to follow in the following weeks. Among other advantages, the new trains will triple transport capacity with their 492-seat. The acceptance on October 21 kicked off the delivery process of the new 16-unit Talgo fleet by the Spain-based manufacturer. The new rolling stock in this existing route will contribute to a barrier-free, more integrated Europe, while incentivizing a more sustainable transport alternative between the two countries served. Denmark and Germany are among the European countries which have set more ambitious goals for the reduction of carbon emissions coming from transport. The Rendsburg High Bridge is a railway viaduct on the Neumünster-Flensburg line. The bridge crosses the Kiel Canal at Rendsburg in the German state of Schleswig-Holstein. The bridge was erected between 1911 and 1913. The steel viaduct has a length of 2,486 meters and is supplemented by embankments that bring the overall length of the structure to about 7.5 kilometers. The cantilever main bridge is 317 meters long, has a main span of 140 meters and provides a clearance of 42 meters above the canal's water level. To serve Rendsburg station, situated at ground level only a couple of hundred meters from the main bridge, the railway line is routed through a large 360-degree loop on the north bank of the canal, Rendsburg Loop. Recoverability of the Talgo 230 EuroCity units is set at 95%, and as they are lighter than other trains they reduce energy consumption and therefore their impact on the environment. EuroCity trains are loco-hauled units authorized for a maximum speed of 200 km per hour in commercial service and have a flexible configuration ranging from 9 to 15 passenger cars including first and second classes and a PRM car. Their maximum capacity will reach 492 passengers and will allow DSB to revamp and increase its offering in the Denmark-Germany route. In each EuroCity set, the two cars at each train end are longer than the rest and act as a fully interoperable interface with the third-party locomotives from the DSB roster. In a near future, one of those end cars will be replaced by a Talgo cab car, Styrvogn, a passenger end coach with a driving cab but no engines, to allow for a push-pull configuration using a single locomotive. DSB, a 16-unit fleet. The Talgo 230s for DSB form a fleet of 16 trains that has been partially delivered and is partially in production. Talgo trains are best known for their unconventional articulated railway passenger cars that use between-carriage bogies that Talgo patented in 1941. The wheels are mounted in pairs but not joined by an axle, and the bogies are shared between coaches rather than underneath individual coaches. This allows a railway car to take a turn at higher speeds with less hunting oscillation. As the coaches are not mounted directly onto wheel bogies, the coaches are more easily insulated from track noise. The new Talgo sets offer a modern traveling experience with Wi-Fi, power sockets, a spacious interior, designated areas for strollers and bikes, as well as a PRM-compliant section and toilet. It is the first time a train offering level access throughout the whole set is introduced, which can be entered without steps on 76 cm platforms. The set start operations in a 15-car configuration with two end cars. The cab control cars from a later call-off will be introduced later in 2026 and start operating in push-pull configuration in 2028. Each train will run with a Siemens Vectron locomotive at each end. DSB aims to strengthen their long-distance fleet as well as replacing around 30-year-old IC3 MF series DMUs in international services and IR for ER series EMUs on national connections. For a year, international connections between Hamburg and Copenhagen have already been taken over by DSB's Vectron locomotives with German IC1 coaches, which are even older than the DMUs they have been replacing. The new Talgo sets will be gradually taking over, and the IC1 coaches will be withdrawn from service on this relation. Talgo 230 trains are loco-hauled and will start running with a Siemens Vectron locomotive on each side. They are designed for speeds up to 230 km per hour, 200 km per hour in commercial service, with capacities of up to 492 passengers. They feature first and second class coaches, a coach for persons with reduced mobility, and facilities for bicycles and prams. Catering on the DSB Talgo trains between Copenhagen and Hamburg includes a vending machines for snacks and hot cold drinks.
Vorsicht, Plätze. Halten Sie Abstand von der Bahnsteigkante.